everyone, I'm Mike and I'm a designer, and I've been designing for the last 21 years. I started back in 1999. So to reiterate the process, it's just identify, rework, and then merge the concepts of everybody.
Those speed redesigns, I think, are the future of the general design workflow, because the fastest you can iterate, then the fastest you can actually research and test. And that leads me to my starting point of being a web designer back then, when the designers were also front-end developers. I think that we have a little bit too many different positions and too many people with very separate skill sets, and they don't really know how to communicate that well if they don't really understand what the other people are doing. So we should really go back to a time and place where we just have two design roles. One is the researcher and one is the designer. And the researcher also should understand a little bit of design, but the designer should understand both the flow, the information architecture, and making the readable and pleasant to look at UI. Finding the problems, identifying the problems, and then quickly solving them, but you need to really go as quickly as possible, because in many cases your head will actually give you the right choice right away, and sometimes the more you think about it, you tend to overthink things and you don't come up with the proper solutions because your brain is just trying to figure out what else can there be done. And sometimes the first thing that comes to mind is simply the best one. Everything is here under these links. So hopefully you liked it, let me know what you thought, and all the best with your speed redesigns. Cheers!